Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maida and you're watching Maida Pours. Thank you so much for joining me today. If it's your first time here, you are very welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, well, thank you so much for coming back and joining me again. I really do appreciate it. So for today's pour, it's actually kind of a continuation of my last video I uploaded. I'm filming them all on the same day though, so it's weird to realize it's probably a few days since I posted that video. I'm going to be now doing a painting with the colors I mixed. So I'm going to show you the results of what you kind of get if you mix your paints properly. Now, it would be really embarrassing if this painting didn't come out, so wish me luck, okay? Let's get to painting. Okay, so let's talk about the colors that we're going to be using today. I do have 4 metallic colors mixed up. I've got this Folk Art Tanzanite, which I think is just a really beautiful purple color. Let me show it to you. Right there. Then I also have this Deco Art Americana Decor Metallic Silver. Not that you can really read that because I get paint all over my things. I don't have nice things, I have paint covered things. But here is the silver right here. Next up, we've got Deco Art Extreme Sheen in Berry. I'm very excited to be using this today. This is one of my favorite colors right here. We got that right there. And last but not least, we've got the Craft Smart Premium Ultra Bright Metallic Paint in Aquamarine. And that's right here. These are, I usually use gold, but I do love using purple, like a maroon or berry color, and the aquamarine or teal. I love that color combo. So I usually use gold, but today I'm using silver. So I also have this white. This is my dumping color, what I pour on over my metallic pearls. This is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, very thin. Again, if you want to see how these paints are mixed, go ahead and watch that video. I go through it step-by-step tutorial, like teach you how to do this. So if you want to learn how to do it, I'll link that video. So that is the palette for today. I'm going to go ahead and get out my canvas. Let's get to painting. I am going to start by laying down the puddles of metallic. I'm going to pour them right in the middle of the canvas. And I'm going to start with my silver, obviously. And I'm going to pour my purple, or my Tanzanite. I'm going to use up all these paints, so there might be a lot of cells, hopefully. That's what we're always going for. And then I'm going to go in with the Aquamarine Craft Smart. And last but not least, my berry. My beautiful berry. I love this color. All right. I do have my torch here, but I'm not going to torch first. First, we are going to flood now, or dump, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm not going to use all of my paint. I am going to go ahead and put a little in my corners to help get those covered. I am not going to torch. I am going to tilt. We get to that corner, and then I always come down to this corner. I bring it back up, get it to the center, then we go to that corner, get it covered, and then last but not least, I'm dripping. We're gonna go ahead and tilt it on down to this final corner. And you just gotta let it go. It'll get there. And we're almost there. Okay. I do try anyway, sort of bring it back to center. I do have a smear over there. I have to live with that, but sometimes the smears don't even show once all the cells develop, so we'll see. Okay, so I always kind of wipe the bottom first to kind of keep it from dripping too much. So I am going to torch. Torching is an important component. You really want to pop the air bubbles, and that's also going to help the cells start to really open up and form. Keep your torch moving though. Do not stay in one spot too long or you will burn your paint. You don't want to do that either. All right. So a big aspect of this technique, of course, is time. So we're gonna have to let it do its thing now, but I am gonna do some tilting, partly always to test and see. Okay, here we go. Look at this. It still blows me away every time. I love these paintings. So I am going to, of course, bring you in for a close-up so I can really show you what's going on with these cells. But thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you've gotten this far, please do hit that like button. It really helps out us YouTubers with the algorithm. And if you enjoy watching videos like this, and by videos like this I mean acrylic paint pouring, well, consider subscribing, because acrylic paint pouring is what I do here. And be sure to hit that bell notification so YouTube actually tells you when I post new videos. And again, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Okay. I'm gonna try to take you in close, really show you these magical cells down here. We got the most berry down in this corner. I love the silver. I've only ever used gold in pours like this, but I am loving the silver. I just love all these multicolored cells. The blue, purple, silver mix is just gorgeous. Around the edges, we are seeing more of that berry kind of come through. It's just so cool. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.